The Food Service Exchange presents.
The Accu-Steam Griddle control panel features 6 buttons: power off and on button, temperature up and down buttons, temperature display button, preset temperature 1 and 2 buttons. Your Accu-Steam Griddle is equipped with 3 indicator lights: fault light, overtemp light, and heat indicator lights. It is normal for the heat indicator light to cycle off and on. Should the fault or overtemp light illuminate, turn off the griddle and call the AccuTemp Lifetime Service and Support Hotline before turning the griddle back on. To power up your griddle, simply press the power key. The display will flash the set point temperature to let you know what the set point is. Then it will display the actual surface temperature. Actual temperature will be displayed until the set point temperature is achieved. Once the set point is achieved, the griddle will display ready. You are now ready to cook. To turn your Accu-Steam Griddle off, simply press and hold the power key until the griddle powers down. Your Accu-Steam Griddle comes from the factory with 3 preset temperatures. For 350 degrees, just turn the griddle on. For 375 degrees, turn the griddle on and press and hold the preset 1 button until the light above the key flashes, then release. For 400 degrees, press and hold preset 2 until the light above the key flashes, then release. If you wish to adjust to a different temperature, press and hold the up arrow key until all 3 lights above the keys flash. Set the desired temperature using the up and down arrow keys. Once the desired temperature is selected, press and hold preset 1 or 2 until the griddle powers off. Your temperature is now programmed in. Turn the griddle back on and select the proper preset to use this temperature. To lock the temperature controls of your Accu-Steam Griddle, press and hold the power and temperature display keys together. The griddle will display lock and power off. Your cooks will be able to power the griddle off and on, but will not be allowed to change the temperature. To unlock temperature controls on your Accu-Steam Griddle, press and hold the power and temperature display keys together. The griddle will display unlock and power down. Your temperature controls are now unlocked. Now that your Accu-Steam Griddle is installed, it's time to do an initial cleaning. Pour a water and mild detergent mixture onto the griddle surface. Using the provided 3M long-handled pad holder and scrub pad, scrub the surface, side, and backsplashes of the griddle. Use the 3M squeegee in your kit to remove the water and detergent mixture. Flush the griddle surface with clean water and squeegee. Repeat this process until the rinse water is clear. We recommend seasoning your griddle with pan and grill oil or shortening. We do not recommend using vegetable oils or canola oils since they are not stabilized for high heat for long periods of time. Use enough pan and grill oil to lightly cover the griddle surface. Make sure the entire surface is coated with oil by working it around the griddle surface using a squeegee or your turner. Let oil sit for 2 to 5 minutes and squeegee off excess oil. Your Accu-Steam Griddle is now ready to cook. The Accu-Steam Griddle is a snap to clean. Scrape the griddle surface using a griddle scraper or your turner to remove large debris. Then use the 3M squeegee to remove any smaller debris and oil from the griddle surface. The Accu-Steam Griddle can be cleaned with water even at full temperature. Pour water onto the griddle surface and scrub using the provided 3M long-handled pad holder and pad. Grill bricks and screens are not needed. Once the griddle has been scrubbed down, simply flush surface with clean water and squeegee the surface to remove remaining debris and water. For a deeper cleaning, use the provided 3M high-temp griddle cleaner. Simply open the packet and pour onto the griddle surface. Work the cleaner into the griddle surface using the long-handled pad holder and pad. Once scrubbed, squeegee off excess chemical and debris. Flush with clean water and squeegee off surface until water runs clear. Once clean, remove the grease trough and discard contents in proper container. Use caution when removing the trough, as contents may be hot. As you remove the grease trough, look for the handle as you pull it out. This is your indicator that you're getting close to the end of the grease trough. Once the contents are discarded, simply clean up the grease trough and replace it into the griddle. The Accu-Steam Griddle will not rust due to its stainless steel construction, and there is no need to oil after cleaning. Your Accu-Steam Griddle features near instant recovery and plus or minus 5 degrees surface temperature variance with no cold spots. Unlike other griddles you may have used, you can cook anywhere on the griddle surface with the same results. This means you can fully load the griddle surface with product and flip into the same spot. If you're used to cooking with your griddle at 400 degrees, we suggest setting the Accu-Steam Griddle 25 degrees less and adjust from there. The Accu-Steam Griddle will not slow down during peak production times. For more hints and tips, give us a call at 800-210-5907 or email us at chefs@accutemp.net.